Step number 1 is to grab your mobile phone and turn it on. And step number 2, click play and watch videos. Step number 3, you can get paid starting today and boom, as simple as that. There are literally hundreds and thousands of pages of real proof that people are making money on this website. And guess what? All they do is just simply watch videos, just like these, using their mobile phone. Now take a look at your potential, earning hundreds of US dollars sent into your account. I mean, how cool is that? And don't worry, this is super easy for new beginners who have never made any money before. And this is absolutely free. You don't need any investment at all to do this. And this is available in all countries in the world. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll reveal the secret on which videos are going to pay you the most amount of money, and I'll show you some bonus tips throughout the entire video that can help you to triple your earnings. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video all the way until the end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So right now, I want you to go onto this website right here, which is gptplanet.com. Now basically, on this website, you can earn money by completing simple tasks online, including watching videos. And I'll show you everything in this video, and this is absolutely free to join, and you don't need any money. So right now when you visit the website, you can see proof of payment. Now when you scroll down below, you can see that all the dates and all the times that people are actually cashing out real money on this website. Take a look at this. This is all the money and all the US dollars that people are receiving by simply watching videos. And they are very transparent and showing you real proof of this website so that you can actually see how much money you earned by watching videos. And look at that! People from different countries are actually making money. I want you to comment down below in the comment section and let me know what your country is and where you are coming from today, so I can create more videos in your region in my future videos. So right now, I want you to follow every step of this video. Now take a look at this. When you go onto the homepage of this website, I want you to go in and click on this orange button right here to register for a free account. And that's going to take you to this page. As you can see, registration, and all you have to do is fill out all the general information right here. So I just want to give you a quick example to show you exactly how to do it. Now as you can see here, I just put in my full name, username, password, confirm my password, and just put in your date of birth and your email right here on this section. So when you scroll down below, here you can see payment account. So we're actually going to put in your account either in these options, which you can see here, so they can send you the payment into your account. So if you want to get paid on other different payment methods, for example, PayPal, bank transfer, and so on, you can get that option once you log into your account. Now the final step is actually the image verification right here. You just have to type in whatever you see on this image. As you can see, this is what I have. Then just click on this. I've read and agreed to the terms that condition. And just click on this blue register button, as simple as that. So for the next step is that once you're logged into your account, you are able to find different companies where you can watch videos to actually make money online. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. You can see here some examples of companies who will pay you. These are all the companies that offer you the opportunity to watch videos just like these. And you can actually make a lot of money online. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching to learn everything. So right now I want to give you the first bonus tip is that I want you to just focus on Scarlet Clicks. As you can see here, this is Scarlet Clicks, and that's going to pay you the most amount of money by simply watching a 30-second video. So I want you to go in and click on this one here, and then that's going to take you to this page. And as you can see here, this is a very interesting website where you can just simply click on one of these 4 boxes right here. And whenever you click on these boxes, they are going to take you to a new video as you can see here. So right now, once you come over to this video, you can just go in and watch the video for at least 30 seconds. All you gotta do is to click on play, and you have to watch the video for 30 seconds, and they start credit money into your account. Now the next thing is that once you've finished watching the video, you can just go in and click on the next box right here and watch the second video. So say for example, when I click on the next box here, so click on this box, and then that's going to take us to another video as you can see here. So right now, I just have to watch another 30 seconds of this video once again, and I'll get paid over and over again. I want to give you a second bonus tip, which is that whenever you come onto a website just like this, I want you to go in and click on all of these boxes at the same time, and you can watch at least 10 videos at the same time. You can do this on your phone. You can do this on your computer. So for example, when I click on this box again, as you can see here, I'll just have to watch it for 30 seconds. So right now, as you can see here, very important is that I've opened up 3 boxes. This is video number 1, this is video number 2, and this is video number 3. And the cool thing about this website is that you can actually watch all 3 videos at the same time. You just have to click play and wait for 30 seconds. Now usually what I will do is I'll just mute the video. I'll turn off the volume and just let it play for 30 seconds. And again, I'll do the exact same thing for another video. I'll just play the video and mute the volume because I don't actually want to watch the video, and just let it play at the background so I can do my own thing. I can chat with other people, I can watch the video that I really want to watch, or I can just go for my video and just do whatever I want and just let the video play in the background. So as you can see here, once I finished watching all the videos, I can go on to the next pictures, and as you can see here is another picture. And I can just click on all these small little boxes right here and watch all the videos and get paid over and over again. Now when you scroll down below, you can see here, clicks are reset daily at midnight server time. Now every single day after midnight, they can reset all the boxes, and then they'll have new and fresh videos that you can watch again. And that means you have unlimited opportunity to make money over and over again. So right now, we're gonna calculate how much money you can actually earn by simply clicking on these boxes and then watching videos. As you can see here, over here, you can see the total of how much boxes are in one picture. So 20 times 28, there are over 560 boxes in just one picture, meaning you can watch 560 videos. So on average, some of the videos pay $1, some of the videos pay 20 cents, and some of the videos pay 30 cents or 50 cents. So on average, we're going to calculate above 50 cents per video, and that's going to pay us $280 by just simply watching videos, and that's incredible because you can do it over and over again, and very quickly, you can easily watch over 500 videos a day by just watching 30 seconds. So right now, I want to share with you another bonus tip. So when you click on this gear settings right here, you can actually change the playback speed to actually double, where you can play the video so much faster. And that means you can watch the 30-second videos within just 15 seconds because the speed is doubled. And that's gonna allow you to double your money with shorter amount of time. So another thing is that when you click on the settings button and over the quality, I recommend to click on the lowest setting. As you can see here, 144p. And the reason why is because some of you guys, you might have a weak internet connection, or you have a very limited data to spend to watch the video. So by actually selecting on the lowest quality, that allows you to watch more videos efficiently, and that's going to pay you the most amount of money. And again, remember that you can actually turn on multiple videos on your phone or on your computer so that we can watch the video very fast. So right now, I want to share with you a final secret on this. Let's say whenever you finish watching the YouTube videos, that's gonna take you to the secret bonus page, where you can see here that every single time we click on this button right here, you can earn extra free money because you actually finished watching a video. So that's a bonus trick that I want to share with you. No other people talking about this. As you can see here, when they click on this button, you can earn some money. Now when you scroll down below, some of them appear very little, but sometimes if you're lucky, some of them even pay $2. And the more videos you watch, the higher chances that you actually get onto the bonus page. And that's going to pay you the most amount of money. And again, once you've finished watching all the videos on Scarlet Clicks, you can go in and go to other companies and watch other videos as well. But again, Scarlet Clicks, they're going to pay you the most amount of money by watching just 30 seconds video. So that's exactly how all of these people right here from different countries in the world are making a lot of money online right now by just clicking on these videos and watching them for 30 seconds. So as you can see here, there are literally hundreds of videos that you can watch for this one, and that's how to get paid over and over again. And you can do the exact same thing by just using a mobile phone and watch videos for absolutely free. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.